How to add profile picture in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to add profile picture on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change profile picture, tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find profile option just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find edit option just right here. Select it. Then here you can find your profile picture just right here. Now tap on it. And from here you can simply add your profile picture using the camera or library. For now I'm choosing library. Now tap on to continue. Then simply allow full access. And choose one photo just like this and tap on to save. And after doing that, your profile picture will be added. And that's it. This is how you can add profile picture in Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.